have discussed about the stair design, and in this video we'll talk about the PCC estimate for the given stair. Hey guys, I'm Isil Khan and you're watching an Engineer Boy. Alright, so in order to estimate the PCC work of the given stair or to determine the volume of the given stair, we'll just divide the section of the stair into different figures like this one. As you can see this one, okay, I just got the separation just like in this palm. So we got the waist, steps, landing, the first block, as you can see this one, which has the breadth equals 2 feet, and the second block, which is this guy, okay, the second block. Now to calculate the total volume, we're gonna add the volume of each figure together so we can get the total volume of the stair. So let's go ahead, and the first thing I'm gonna calculate is the volume of landing, which must be its area times its thickness. Area and thickness, these are just known, you can say, but we're gonna remember, we're gonna just multiply the breadth and width of the landing to get its area, and then we'll multiply it with the thickness so we can get the total volume. Like the area, that is the top area, which is 3 times 3. As you can see, the landing is been shown over here is 4 feet, but this portion of the landing is taken with the step, so we're gonna take only 3 feet, okay, is the weight of the landing. And the another side of the landing is also 3 feet. So 3 times 3 is going to be the top area of the landing times the thickness, which is known, that is 6 inches, or you can say 0.5 feet. Alright, so multiply these three things, we can get the volume of the landing, which is 4.5 CFT or cubic feet. And the next thing we're gonna calculate is the volume of the first block, which is this one, okay. It is a rectangular prism, you can say. So its volume is the same thing as the area times its thickness, or area of the section times its length. So area of the section, that is 2 times 6 inches or 0.5 feet, okay, like this one. 2 is the breadth, as you can see this one, and the thickness, which is the rise of the step, you can say, or rise of the block, and that is 6 inches, already known over here. Alright, and the length, that is going to be this length, you can say, from the plan. It is the same thing as the length as you can say the width of the landing, okay, that is 3 feet. So we get 3 CFT is the volume of first block, and then the second block, okay. Alright, so this is the same thing as this one, a rectangular prism. So its weight is known, which is 12 inches or 1 feet times its thickness, again that is 0.5 feet, you can say, or 6 inches, and the length is the same, which is 3 feet, so we can get, of course, 1.5 CFT. And the next thing, that is waist volume, or volume of the waist. Now it is the same thing as sectional area times length, but over here we got some complication, like you can say waist volume, that is cross sectional area, and if you just take a section of this waist, it is going to be a rectangle, you can say, okay, which must has the depth equals this one, okay. This is just the depth of the waist, which is 5.37 inches. So and if we convert this into feet, we get, of course, 0.4475 is the waist thickness, and the breadth of the waist, that is going to be the same as the breadth of the landing or the stair, just like 3 feet, and times the length. Length is going to be little tricky over here. We're gonna calculate this by trigonometric ratios or by the Pythagorean theorem. Like you can say the length of the waist, that is going to be just look at this position. As you can see, this is just a right angle triangle, which has the perpendicular equals 4.5 feet, and as you can see this one is given as 5 feet because we have just subtracted this rise is 6 inches, okay, so that is going to be 4.5. Alright, so this is the perpendicular, and the base of the right angle triangle must be 9 feet because it's covering 9 steps, okay, and the run of the one step is 6 inches. Oh, oops, sorry, the thread, or you can say the breadth of the one step is 12 inches, or 1 feet. So it's covering 9 steps. That means we got the breadth of the right angle triangle is 9 feet. Okay. Now by Pythagoras theorem we can say the length of the waist is going to be 9 square plus 4.5 square, just like that. Okay, so the length must be 10.6 feet, and we can plug this video over there. Okay, just like that. So we can get the waist volume equals 13.5 CFT. That's so simple. Alright, and the final thing we're gonna calculate is the steps volume. Okay, we got steps of the stairs. As you can see, these you can say triangular prisms. Okay, so this must be the volume of one step times the number of steps, just like that. So we're gonna calculate volume of one step, and then we'll multiply that volume with the number of steps, so we can get the total steps volume. Now steps volume of one step, that is just the multiplication of these both sides divided by 2. Alright, so you can say 1 feet times 6 inches or 0.5 feet divided by 2. This is the sectional area times length, which is 3 feet over here, as you can see. So this is volume of the one step times number of steps, and these are known. Okay, we got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so we get 9 only over here, and the other, these are already taken with these blocks, and this from this point from the top we have up to this one, so we got only 9 steps over here. Okay, so do little mathematics with this, we can get of course 6.75 CFT is the volume of the steps. Okay, so now the total PCC must be the summation of all these guys, and that is of course 29.25 CFT. That's it.
Thank you dears for watching. See you next time. Wassalam.